filming this from my bathroom because what I want to talk to you about today is actually a product from our bathroom, and it's about an all-natural kids body wash option. So if you're like me, you might be looking for like natural alternatives to some other things that you use daily, and body wash for kids is one of them. We have actually found one that has like the perfect pH level balance for your skin health. So if you have a child with like eczema or other, skin sensitivities or irritations, this would be a great option for them to restore that health. So what we use is actually our doTERRA shampoo. That's the secret ingredient, and we add that to the soap dispenser, the foaming hand soap dispenser from doTERRA. We add it to about right underneath the red line here, and then we dilute the rest of it with water. So that's what we do as far as making it, and then from there you're just going to shake it up, mix it up, and let them self-serve themselves if you've got some that are old enough to do that. If not, you're going to do your thing. But it comes out really foamy-like. They love the foam stuff, y'all. We add it to our bath water to make soap baths. It doesn't seem to bother them when they get it in their eyes. I've gotten it in my eyes and it hasn't bothered me. And it has a really nice smell to it. So it's got a clean scent, some citrus. So yeah, we love it. They love it. And it's worked really well for us. And it's been a great natural alternative. If you add this shampoo to the foaming dispenser, it will actually save you a little bit more money with your doTERRA shampoo, which we all love. Rather than just taking it out of the bottle, which if you do just use the bottle, just use like the tiniest amount for your kid. That's all it takes really, because if you lather it up, they'll get super soapy and you'll be able to get them completely with just a teeny amount.